Sickle cell disease, also known as drepanocytosis, is a genetic blood disorder caused by an abnormal form of hemoglobin, the protein responsible for carrying oxygen in the blood. In affected individuals, red blood cells lose their normal round shape and become crescent or sickle-shaped, forming what we call drepanocytes. These cells are more rigid and fragile, which makes it difficult for them to move smoothly through blood vessels. As a result, they can block circulation, reduce oxygen delivery, and cause painful crises and chronic anemia. Under the microscope, these sickle-shaped red blood cells appear elongated and curved, in contrast to the normal round cells. Sickle cell disease is more common in regions such as Africa, the Middle East, and the Americas. Through microscopic observation, we can clearly identify these abnormal cells and better understand how this disease affects blood morphology. These microscopic images offer a closer look at one of the most fascinating and challenging genetic disorders of the blood.